My dear students, today I am going to discuss and explain about Myra Paibi movement. Let's get into video. And what is called Myra Paibi movement? Where does it happen? And what is the importance of Myra Paibi movement? So generally, Myra Paibi is a woman's social movement in the Indian state of Manipur, referred to as the guardians of civil society. Myra Paibi dates to 1977 and present the Kokching district. It derives its name from the flaming torches which the women carry while marching through city streets, often at night. And Myra Paibi movement took place where? So generally, Myra Paibi already we know mostly. Myra Paibi means woman torch bearers is a woman's social movement in the Indian state of Manipur, already I told you. And in which state did the Myra Paibi movement originate? So generally, Manipuri state. It is one of the states of India. As Manipur state government fails to overcome the problems of the people of Manipur state, and then the women of Manipur state, they came together as a group and they started agitation to solve their problems. Myra Paibi movement originated in Manipur in 1977. It derives its name from the flaming torches which the women carry while marching through city streets. And what is the role of Myra Paibi? What is the role of Myra Paibi? The role of Myra Paibi is a movement occurred in Manipur state. Myra Paibi is originated as a movement to prevent public disorder due to alcoholic abuse in Manipur state in late 1970s, but it sooner became a movement for human rights with the massive development of Indian armed forces to counter the armed movement in early 1980s. This resulted in frequent military operations and human rights violations. The Myra Paibi responded instantly with the protest demonstrations. Myra Paibi took to patrolling the streets at night. Women of every laikoi or ward of every town and village participated in the daily patrolling, bearing no weapons but only the bamboo and rag kerosene torches. These are not activists or politically inclined women. Myra Paibi group has also been demanded to get their rights solved. Women of every village of Manipur state, they demanded to get their problems solved. Myra Paibi group has also been demanding that AFSPA Armed Forces Special Powers Act be revoked. Thank you.